There's a car out there that's so fast, it needs a second key to unlock its full power. A machine tested like a fighter jet, but built like a luxury masterpiece. It doesn't just chase speed, it redefines it. This is the Bugatti Chiron, and it's unlike anything you've ever seen. At the heart of this beast is an 8.0-liter V16 engine with 4 turbochargers. It puts out 1,103 kilowatts. That's over 1,500 horsepower. From 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, just 2.4 seconds. And with the speed key unlocked, it can blast all the way to 420 kilometers per hour. That's 260 miles per hour. And yes, you heard that right. To unlock the Chiron's full speed, you need a second key, because this much power needs permission. The active rear wing changes shape like a fighter jet, giving you more grip and even helping you stop at high speeds. But the Chiron isn't just about speed, it's about control. This car is smooth, balanced, and easy to drive, even when it feels like you're flying. Inside the car, it's pure class. The central console is carved from a single piece of aluminum. The cabin is quiet, comfortable. Even the speedometer proudly shows the magic 500 kilometers per hour mark, just in case you forget what you're sitting in. Each Chiron goes through brutal testing, the kind of precision and control you'd expect in aerospace engineering. The Bugatti Chiron isn't just a car, it's a blend of emotion, technology, and design. It redefines what a car can be, not just fast, but intelligent. Not just beautiful, but brutal. This is how legends are made. If you like this video, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.